ka sarkar jala lingba ka thong jong mintri rangba ban pen khlan ya ka jingkhoi ka mariang hapok chief minister yun for green campaign movement arajar san kala pelong ya ka jingalang pat ba minta ka sngi handong po kani ka jingalang la panya da office of district sports officer DSO Ribhoi district ha ka jingatrai lang bat ka nongpo town committee bat ka Ribhoi cycling association manai men sim ki pat ba bakin ya ki jan ne penan kam ne ki bicycle habalet haki jaka ki bajan khnang banduna ke jing pendan kam kali bat ya ke jing mi jabo naki kali la pelong ru ya ka bite campaign right bat ke jing ai jihi kai pai pa hakmat ka nongpo town shopping complex kani ka green campaign kadai ban wanra ke jing kit kli jong way pa way nong shong shinang ban sumar mariang da ka bale bon ki kam ki bala ban pen kala ya ka mai mariang kum ka jing penduna ke jing pen mi jabo thong bat sumari ki deng ki siet perkhat shwa ban penan kam boarding electric penan kam hok ya ko bat kyar ban pen sep a than bat ru ban pen khoi ya ki saudong saukun man ka sngi ha ka te ka program le don lang ru ka e pradhan assistant commissioner Ribhoi district uba Bobby L Nongban DSO Ribhoi ka Kongrida Lindam PTI Corpus DSO ki samla pule ka kinhon ki nongnya bicycle na Ribhoi pat ki wei
national level, if we look at the AQI index, we're already doing very good. Even my parents also, if they come
Thank you so much. Kublai shibro ni gini ki kena samla ki jangi kira ek kubor bagane kaperthai galong.
Reminds us that protecting our environment begins with us. Under the vision of our Honorable Chief Minister, we come together as youth to plant, to clean and to care for our surroundings. Every small action, say it's saving water, reducing waste or planting a tree, creates a big impact. Let us lead by example and inspire others to join. I won't take too much time again, short and sweet. Together, let us build a cleaner, greener future. Thank you, Kublai. Jai Hind.
movement, as we know that we do not, the earth does not belong to us, but we belong to this earth. So it's our responsibility to make sure that we take care of our mother nature. So what has really happened in the past few years is that in this rapid surge of development, we can see that climate change is happening for real. So there's a risk that the temperature of the earth has already increased by 2 degrees. The risk of global warming is actually near. We can see the sudden landslides, the floods and everything which has really put the human life at risk. So now suddenly this, therefore at the international levels and everywhere this thing of climate change, and suddenly we all have started taking actions because we have realized that if we don't act now, then maybe our future generation, they have to suffer for us. So therefore it's very important that that not only the government but we as a citizen, we take the responsibility and we act responsibly to save our environment. So if we know, we have already launched a campaign that is Lifestyle for Environment movement at the national level. So where each and every individual has to ensure that through their responsible behavior, they are protecting the Mother Earth. So basically replicating that, in the state we have launched a green campaign movement, which is basically awareness for our environment. So we have to make sure that first of all, we are that whatever we are already having, that we have to conserve. So please, we can start from small actions in our daily. For example, we can ensure that we are saving water, we are not wasting water, we are saving electricity. So whenever we don't require, we can always switch off the lights, the fans. So from these small things, we can actually make a huge impact. If each and every one of us make small changes in their day-to-day lifestyle, we can really create a huge impact collectively. So from today, we should always make sure that we are not using plastics. We are always using recyclable things. We can also ensure that we are not wasting water, and we are not cutting down trees. We can make a resolution that every year we are planting one tree and we are taking care of that particular tree. So these small things I would like to really urge each and every one of us to make sure that we really do, and I'm really sure that if each and every one of us will ensure, we will definitely achieve the goal. And